When choosing an e-commerce solution for your business, knowing what features are included is important, but you should also understand the added value you get with the stuff that happens behind the scenes.
I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're going to discuss the added value managed WooCommerce stores offers when it comes to performance, security, and maintenance.
The Managed WooCommerce Stores platform offers fantastic performance, security, and management for merchants and developers alike.
This product is powered under the hood with blazing fast hosting from Amazon Web Services and leverages the strengths of the platform so that you get the best performance out of your WordPress and WooCommerce sites.
You'll benefit from a 99.95% uptime guarantee and key features to keep your site running effectively, such as automated backups, a firewall to help you reduce the risk of security incidents, as well as automated malware scanning and removal to ensure that your site is always secure and running at top speed.
Maintenance can also be a huge headache for WooCommerce merchants. We totally understand that. That's why we'll automate all of it for you.
PHP, WordPress, and WooCommerce plugin versions are seamlessly managed, making sure that as a merchant, you don't have to drop into your store constantly to manage software updates, staying stress-free and focused on growing your business.
Your software is kept secure and up to date in a safe way, so you can rest easy knowing that your site is going to be constantly updated without breaking.
If there are any issues with your site, such as malware that manages to escape our robust scanning, we will make sure that we clean it up and help you understand how to secure your website for the future.
With GoDaddy's managed WooCommerce stores, we want you to have the flexibility to build your store your way.
And as always, if there's anything else you need help with, we're here for you.
We have a dedicated support team made up of WordPress and WooCommerce experts available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
You can reach our expert GoDaddy guides using phone, chat, web form, and directly through the Get Help feature on the WordPress admin dashboard. With GoDaddy's managed WooCommerce stores, we want you to be able to focus on running your business by handling some of the heavy lifting for you.
I'm Emily, that's Darlene, and we wish you the best of luck with your business.